Hi, this is Lisa from Blue Star Minis, and we have Blackberry here. Blackberry is a toy mini F1B Aussiedoodle. She's going to weigh approximately, I'd say around 10-ish to 15 pounds, sticking probably a little closer to the 10-pounder, I'm thinking. What else? Mama and Daddy have had all their genetic health testing done. Yeah. Mama and Daddy is blueberry and s'mores. They've also had their furnishings tested, which is part of genetics, and it tells you if puppy will shed or not. And puppy will not shed because Mama and Daddy carry furnishings, which passes on to baby. So she will not shed. She's going to have a beautiful coat. It's not going to be real kinky. It's going to have a nice little wave to it. Yes. She is what you would call a black tuxedo. Look at, show them how pretty you are. Yes. Show them. Show them. Yes. Blueberry is a good girl. Very nice. I mean, as far as personality and very kind-hearted. She's going to be a little lover. She's going to be a cuddler. She loves tummy rubs, and she'll fall asleep right next to you with the tummy rubs. Huh. Tell them. She's a beautiful baby girl. Beautiful. Say, ain't I cute? Ain't I cute? Look at me. Look at me. I'm a cutie. Huh. I just love the white coming up her back legs, and I mean, she's beautiful, Martha, I think. Yes. Look at that little nose. Say, look at my little nose. Huh. So you can find us on bluestarminis.com, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and X. Yes. Did I say YouTube? I think I said YouTube too. Hey, we're all over. Yes. She's literally, come here, big girl, a handful too. A handful. Just a handful. Huh. Say, I'm just a handful. I'm just a handful. Blueberry. So if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to send me a message or even call me. You can go to the website and you can see pictures and videos. Yeah. Yep. She's very calm. Very. Yes. I'm a good girl. I'm a good girl. Yes, I am. I'm a good girl. Yes. Huh. What? Oh, you want to cuddle? You want to cuddle now. We'll cuddle in a minute here. Let's turn around and let's show them. Again, one more time. Yes. Okay. You want to say bye-bye? Let's say bye-bye. Let's say bye-bye. Yeah. Let's say bye-bye. Yep. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.